Using a new septic tank as a root cellar or food storage might actually be a smart way to keep your stuff cool without busting your budget or space. So here's the deal. If you're thinking about turning a buried septic tank into a root cellar, first check your local climate, because temperature and humidity control are key for keeping food fresh. You want to make sure the tank stays just above freezing, but with high humidity if you're storing root veggies, because dry air will ruin them fast. If you want to store dry goods like grains or canned stuff, you'll need a drier environment at slightly warmer temps, like around 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, with less than 65% humidity. Ventilation is super important too. You don't want stale air building up or moisture getting out of control. Adding some kind of airflow system or even a dehumidifier might be necessary depending on your humidity levels. Also, keep in mind, shade and tree cover around the tank can help keep temps stable in hotter areas. Since you mentioned freeze-dried foods, those don't need as strict conditions, but still benefit from cooler temps to avoid spoilage. Lastly, think about how you'll organize inside and tidy. Shelving or bins can help maximize space and keep things tidy. One of the biggest mistakes people make when using unconventional spaces like septic tanks for food storage is ignoring proper ventilation, which can cause mold and bad smells. Fix this by installing vents or small fans. Another common issue is not controlling humidity correctly. Too dry or too wet can ruin your stored food, so use a hygrometer to monitor and consider dehumidifiers or humidifiers as needed. Lastly, people often forget about temperature fluctuations, especially in really hot climates, so burying the tank deep enough and adding insulation or shading can help maintain steady temps for better preservation. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource if you're looking to connect with reliable local contractors who know their stuff about cool home projects like this. It also helps contractors find homeowners who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right without hassle.